Hello everyone, welcome to our video where we'll be introducing you to Notion to PDF, a tool that lets you export PDFs with just one click. If you're someone who uses Notion frequently, then you'll understand how important it is to be able to export your notes as high-quality PDF files. That's where Notion to PDF comes in. In this video, we'll show you how to use Notion to PDF to make exporting your notes easy and efficient with just one click. 1. Installing Notion to PDF from Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome browser. Search for Google Web Store from Google. Go to the Google Web Store. Search for Notion to PDF. Click on the Notion to PDF link to go to the detail page. Click Install to add it to your browser. It only takes a few seconds to add it to your browser. Once it's installed, click here to activate the plugin. After installation, you'll see the Notion to PDF icon appear in your browser's toolbar. That's it. Notion to PDF is now installed and ready to use. In the next part of this video, we will show you how to use Notion to PDF. 2. Exporting Notion page using Notion to PDF. Now let's move on to the fun part. Open up a Notion page that you want to export. Wait for the Notion to PDF button to appear in the page. Click the Notion to PDF button and wait for Notion to PDF to convert your Notion page to high-quality PDF documents and download it automatically. After downloading, you can easily view the PDF file and share it with others via instant messaging or email. The Notion document format is preserved in the PDF, ensuring that all your content and formatting is accurately represented. And that's it. Notion to PDF makes exporting your notes a breeze. In the next part of this video, we will show you some tips and tricks for using Notion to PDF more efficiently. 3. Adjust paper type and page orientation. Notion to PDF allows you to customize the look of your PDF document. Whether you need a letter-sized, legal-sized, or other size page, Notion to PDF has got you covered. You can also choose from portrait or landscape orientation depending on the content of your Notion page. Open the Notion page that you want to export to PDF. Click on the Notion to PDF icon in your Chrome toolbar. Select the paper size and page orientation that you want to use in the settings window. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save Settings button to save your changes. Go back to your Notion page and click on the Notion to PDF button again. Wait for the PDF to download, and you will see that your chosen paper size and orientation settings have been applied to the document. 4. Adjusting margins. Notion to PDF allows you to adjust the margins to fit your preferences. This is particularly useful if you plan to print your PDF document or want to adjust the page layout to fit a specific size. Open the Notion page that you want to export. Click on the Notion to PDF icon in the Chrome toolbar. Click the Page Setting button. In the new pop-up window, you will see 4 dashed lines that represent the 4 margins of the page. To adjust the margins, click on the Margin Setting button. Set the margin size to your desired value. Click Save. Go back to the Notion page and click the Notion to PDF button. Wait for the download to finish, and you will see that your margin settings have been applied. It's important to note that each paper size and orientation will require separate margin settings. Adjusting the margins for one paper size won't affect the margins for other paper sizes. 5. Custom headers and footers. In Notion to PDF, you can customize the header and footer of the exported PDF. This is a great way to add a professional touch to your document and make it look more polished. Open the Notion page you want to export. Click on the Notion to PDF icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the Page Setting button. In the new pop-up window, you'll see 4 dashed lines that represent the margins of your page. The header and footer are the areas above and below these margins. To customize your header and footer, here you can choose the text, font, and position of your header and footer. You can also add lines, shapes, and images if you want. Once you're done, click on Save. Go back to your Notion page and click on the Notion to PDF button again. Wait for the download to finish. When you open your PDF document, you should see your customized headers and footers. Remember that you need to set the headers and footers independently for each paper size and orientation, so adjusting one setting won't affect the others. 6. Adding watermarks. Notion to PDF allows you to add watermarks to your PDF document. This is especially useful if you're sharing sensitive information and want to ensure that your document isn't copied or shared without your permission. Open the Notion page that you want to export as a PDF. Click on the Notion to PDF icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the Page Setting button. In the new pop-up window, you will see 4 dotted lines which mark the area where your content will be displayed. You can use the line, text, and shape tools to design your watermark or upload an image. You can also adjust the transparency of your watermark. Once you have finished designing your watermark, click on Save. Go back to your Notion page and click on the Notion to PDF button. Wait for the download to finish, and you will see that your PDF file now has a watermark applied to it. It's important to note that you will need to set the watermark for each paper size and orientation independently, and adjusting one paper's settings won't affect other papers. Notion to PDF is a powerful tool that can make exporting your notes a breeze. If you find this video useful, feel free to share it with your friends. If you want to learn more about Notion to PDF or download the extension, please visit www.notiontopdf.site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.